Ready to elevate your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
And check the time. It's now 12:45 in the noontime. Time check brought to you by Sosimo Fashion Boutique, located at number 3 Indiana Street, Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapera and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
And time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Final announcement for you. Witness the resilience and athletic excellence on June 2 with the 2024 NTT Asia Triathlon Para Championships Subic Bay. This World Triathlon Sanction event includes a 750 meters swim, 20 kilometers bike ride, and 5 kilometers run. In this post, you will find the race route, which roads are all affected. Okay, so check it out on the Fantastic Subic Bay official Facebook page. All right. Okay, the Para Triathlon Asian Championships 2024, May 31 actually to June 2. And you may expect control of traffic flow, road closures prior, during, and after the event. And for everyone's safety and security, athletes will be prioritized during the race. Vehicles will be advised to slow down and give way to the participants. Okay? So, well, might as well on those dates, if you have nothing really important to do, might as well just stay home. Weekend naman yan. Enjoy, relax with the family. Or you may come over here and watch the Para Triathlon Asian Championships. Pwedeng manood. All right, you're all invited. Everybody's invited. Once again, that's going to be on May 31 to June 2. All right. And hey, oh, by the way, I before I forget, I would like to thank the staff, the kind people of Novo, Olongapo City, Novo Jeans and Department Store at the city of Olongapo along Magsaysay Drive, huh? Okay, thank you. Ang babait ng mga staff ninyo diyan, ano. I dropped my my bag of money. Malaki yung laman, libo-libo eh. Oh, libo-libong coins. But nonetheless, no matter how much, hindi na importante kung magkano yung laman, pero yeah, the staff are so kind. In just a matter of minutes, I got it back right away. Ayan. Tapos nag-assist sa akin si security guard MC Nafianog. Yun ang apelyido niya, Nafianog. Alright. Minsan nag-guitar. Pero this time Nafianog siya. Thank you, sir, ha. Salamat sa pag-assist mo. Ayan. Tapos yung nakapulot si Kuya Edwin. I didn't get his last name eh. Hindi naman si Edwin Bagang. Which proves mga Edwin talaga mababait, mababait sa kapwa. Yan. Okay, may best friend din kasi akong Edwin eh. Ganyan din kabait. Kagaya mo, si Edwin ng Novo Department Store, Olongapo City. Ayan. I would like to commend your staff po dyan. Lahat ng nag-assist sa akin last night. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay? Dahil kung hindi na ibalik sa akin yun, naku, abonado ako. Pera ng auntie ko yun eh. Magbabayad si DJ Tommy G. Ayan. Again, Novo Olongapo Department Store. Maraming salamat. You have kind staff there. Highly recommendable. Very kind staff. Maraming salamat. Okay. All right. Time for me to press play now on the final song for this radio show. Last song na. Okay. Again, don't forget this coming weekend, May 31 to June 2, the Para Triathlon Paralympics Para Triathlon Asian Championships 2024 will be happening here inside the Subic Bay Freeport. Kung wala kang ginagawa, stay home na lang. Baka ma-stuck lang kayo in traffic, di ba? Okay? It's weekend naman eh. Enjoy the weekend with the family. Final song for this radio show. Here's Paul Sapiera. with this song, Iniibig Kita. Yes, I do. 895 Subic Bay Radio with this song for now. Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. And enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Hey, stay safe everybody ha. Nandito na si Flirt. Nampe-flirt sa atin. Meron na. Meron na po. Yes, so before stepping out of the house, be sure to grab that face mask and hand sanitizers. Avoid touching your face. Yung pa rin dati, di ba? Keep distance. Pero sa jeepney, imposible na. Pag sumasakay ako ng jeep, 4 pa raw, sabi nung caller. Yung katabi ko, nakasampa na yung noo sa ilong ko 4 pa. May sumakay na 4. Sabi niya, 1 pa. Yung isa pala, yung driver, no? Umiihi. 1 pa, driver na lang, ha? Alis na. Once again, here's Kuya Paul Sopiero. Stay safe. What I'm trying to say is stay safe, everybody. Keep distance. Kung wala namang importanteng masyado, wag nang lalabas. Stay at home na lang. Okay? Paul Sopieras, Iniibig Kita. 895 Subic Bay Radio.